In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule IKEA home delivery. Whether you found the perfect piece of furniture or just need essentials delivered straight to your door, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the IKEA website. Open your web browser and type in ikea.com. As you arrive on their homepage, you'll notice a user-friendly layout. Feel free to spend a moment browsing if you wish, but when you're ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Now, assuming you've added all your desired items to your cart, go ahead and click on the cart icon usually located in the top right corner of your screen. This will bring you to your shopping cart where you'll review all the items you intend to purchase. After confirming everything looks good, hit the checkout button. Once you're at the checkout page, you'll find various delivery options. What you're looking for here is home delivery. Selecting this option ensures that your items will be brought to your designated address rather than needing a pickup. This is particularly convenient if you're purchasing large or bulky items. Next up, it's time to select your delivery date and time slot. IKEA usually provides a range of available slots, so you should find something that works with your schedule. Consider your availability and remember that someone will need to be present to receive the delivery. Choose a date and time when you'll be home, or can ensure someone will be there to accept the package. With your delivery preferences set, you're almost done, but there's one important step left. Confirm and pay for your delivery. Review your entire order carefully, checking both the products and the delivery details to ensure everything is accurate. Once you've confirmed all this information, proceed to the payment section. Here, you'll enter your payment details securely. Most major payment methods are accepted, so you can choose the one that best suits you. After completing the payment, you should receive a confirmation email from IKEA. This email will detail your purchase, including your order number, delivery date, and the items you're expecting. Keep this information at hand until your delivery arrives in case you need to reference it. And there you have it. Scheduling an IKEA home delivery really is that straightforward. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you'll soon be enjoying your new IKEA products in the comfort of your own home. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.